Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. I am here with my beautiful friend, Karen Richani of Karen Richani Design, and we're going to talk about another view of a different room of a project that we talked about in the last episode, Chic Countryside. And I wanted to highlight this because this is a beautiful space.
Yeah. Yes, Nadine. This particular foyer is pretty special. We carefully selected all of the finishes here, and we wanted to make it the entrance of their home, right? So we wanted to use color. The client, even though she likes a neutral color palette, she was eager to use color, and we found like this space was the perfect opportunity of adding a very important pop of color. So we painted ceilings, walls, and combined this beautiful peacock color, and I even remember the name. It's Moscow Midnight from Sherwin Williams.
It's beautiful.
Very beautiful. We combine it with checkered floors that really add a lot of charm and character to the room. I think it's a perfect introduction to this beautiful home.
I think so, and I think just the combination of the black and white flooring with that wall color just looks absolutely amazing. I mean, it's just a foyer, but it's like it feels so warm, inviting, and cozy. I love it.
Yeah, we love it too, and it's so fun to work with these. These were smaller format square tiles, and then we use, I don't know if you can appreciate on the other areas, that's a butler's pantry and a laundry with the mosaic also in white and black.
And is that a zoom out a little bit and then kind of go a little bit zoom into where you can see that doorway? Yeah, is it a hexagon or
It,
honeycomb?
yeah, correct.
Yeah.
It's a hexagon. And when they were laying the tile, we wanted this particular pattern, so it's more fun, and it invites or it directs the users to other spaces. So it's pretty special, definitely. You cannot see on this picture, but we also built a design like a cabinetry for when the kids were, getting home and putting their things, their boots,
Yeah.
rain boots, yeah, backpacks. Yeah, well, they don't go to school here nearby, but the things that they carry when they are going out and enjoy the outdoors, for instance.
And then the lighting there is a really nice accent, but it's very simple, but it works with that space.
Exactly. I love to use semi-flush mounts chandeliers for the for the for the foyers, for the mudrooms. So this particular option it has brass and black, and it really adds a sophistication and an industrial look to the entire home. So I remember this particular client. This is a funny thing to mention. When we were selecting the lamps, there were options that could have box inside that they can be the perfect. So she said, "I don't want a box cemetery." I was like, "Okay,
That's
let's
funny.
do something close." So to ensure that, especially there,
Yeah.
no bugs will get inside.
Yeah, that's good. Bug cemetery, that's funny.
And when we use the same type of lighting inside the butler's pantry and the laundry room.
Lovely. And where did you procure this from?
They got it from M&M.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay, let's zoom out one more time. And the flooring, where did that come from?
I have to check. I have to check where the builder got it from. But we specified porcelain. At first, we specified marble, but it was not going to be practical for them. So we ended up choosing porcelain.
That's good. I mean, a lot of people really like marble, but yeah, it's not
Yeah,
not necessarily
correct.
functional or makes sense for a lot of people.
Especially in this setting. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we chose a barn door, metal and glass for the laundry room. The laundry room, we designed all of the cabinetry to ensure it will look always clean and tidy, let's say. Because it's right there in the foyer, and you can see inside.
Well, It's beautiful.
Mhm.
Just love it.
Thank you.
Thank you again for sharing with us your
Of course.
beautiful work.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for the next episode.